Hi, this is Lynn. Welcome to my channel. This channel is about to give you every basic knowledge you need to play the piano from the very beginning. Today we'll be playing Hänschen Klein together. I'll show you that step by step. It's a very famous German song, so I think you all know the melody. That's great because you'll notice every note you are playing. If you are playing that wrong or right, you don't need an extra teacher to tell you that or correct it. For the same reason, we'll be playing Jingle Bell after that. It's actually the homework from last week, well, from lesson 2. So check out my other videos. If you like my video, hit the like, subscribe the channel. I thank you very much, and if you have any questions, just leave me a comment. I'll try to update my videos every Friday, so follow up. And now let's jump into the lesson. Alright, let's start with the right position for your hand. We start with the right hand. We will play the first note with an fifth finger, and it should be an G. So I know my hand will stay here. We start with the first note G, and then an E, and an E again. And we see it is a 4/4 beat. That means we have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 beats in a bar. Okay, the second bar we have an F with fourth finger, and D with second, and another D with second finger. Should it sound like this? And we have C with first finger, D second finger, E and F, and 3 times G. Okay. One, two, three, four. Now we have C and E and G and G and whole note. We hold that. Okay, let's hear it. Okay, left hand, we have fifth finger for C. Okay, that's my position. Now I try to look at the note, not my finger, because my finger, they're at the right position. I just have to play that. The first note is an C with small finger, the second one with first finger and G and another G. Hold it a little bit longer, okay. Fourth finger for the D, and first finger for the G, and another G. And we have C, D, E, F, G, G, and another one. That's the same like the beginning. Then we have C and E with third finger, and twice G, and hold the whole note. Okay, and when you put your two hands together, I know you don't have to play that quick. Okay, just as slow as you need to, but play the right note. You all know this song, so you'll notice if you made any mistake. You can count the beats like this. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the second phrase of this song is it's not difficult. We begin with an D with second finger, and fourth the same, and D, E, F, and then we have 4 times E, E, F, G, and the next one you know that. It's just repeating. Okay, left hand, D with fourth finger, G with first finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now E with third finger. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, E, G, G, and C. Okay, let's hear it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's it. If you've really practiced a lot, then certainly you can go quickly like this. Now let's play Jingle Bell. That is the homework from lesson 2. And we'll start at the right position. It's always the same position now. And I'll continue with this position just to make you remember the notes. Okay, we have 3 times E. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and E, G, C, C, D. Okay, let's see. The third bar we have we have 2 eighth notes together. That's C and D, the last 2 notes. If you don't understand note values, just go back to lesson 2, okay? And we'll count to 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So these 2 notes should be played double so quickly that it will only have 1 beat for 2 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's continue. Fourth note, fourth finger, I'm sorry. F, E, and E, and E, D, D, E. We have D with second finger, G with small finger. Let's have a look at the left hand. That will be, okay, the first 3 bars. Actually, the fourth bar also, we have the C chord and the C broken chord actually. Okay, we have an C with 5th finger, G with 1st finger, and E with 3rd finger, and another G. Okay, we'll continue. We'll try do that 4 times. You can see your left finger like a drum to keep your beat. You know, it's always like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you don't have to count. You have your left hand. Okay, then we have the D with fourth finger, and G and F and G, and we have D and G and E and G and C and G and D and G and G and G. Okay. Let's try both hands together, okay? And if you try that for the first time, just play that right but slow, okay? 1, 2, I don't count. I'll just continue, it's the same. Okay, you see, even I do make mistakes. Very often I make mistakes. So don't worry if you make mistakes. Don't worry if you can't put your two hands together immediately. That's normal. Okay, if you practiced a little bit often, then we can hurry up a little bit, but only as quick as you can, okay? And if you have the problem, your last finger and your fourth finger, they should be very weak at the beginning. So for the second last bar, maybe you will feel some tense, and at the beginning, your small finger to do that very quickly, that is not very easy at the beginning, but don't worry, just keep practicing. The fingers will get their strength later, okay? So I hope you had fun today, and I'll see you next week.